Hi all, today we will discuss about SAR System Activity Report. So using this command SAR you will able to see the utilization of RAM and CPU. Okay, if I execute this SAR without any option, so we'll get CPU, user, nice value, system, these things around 4:10 this timing. Okay, it's having the time and everything. So this system is got rebooted around 6:17 am, restarted. After this we start collecting the logs for RAM and all things. Okay, and this system got rebooted on 10:29 pm as well. So this is a report. If you want to see the only RAM SAR-R, so it will show you the only RAM utilization in the KB and memory, and you are having the timestamp here. And if you want to see the only CPU utilization, CPU-U, SAR-U, so it will show you the CPU utilization according to that. But these things you can check with the top and all the thing current. Okay, so now I will show you the live details. SAR-R, I'm giving 1 and space 5, so that means SAR report will get generated interval of 1 second and 5 times it will get executed. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So we got 5 output over a 1 second of interval. Like same we can do for CPU as well. SAR-R 1 space 5. So over an interval of 1 second we are generating report and 5 times. Okay, and you can give any number, SAR-U, plus 3 second interval for 3 times. First, second, third. So these are the 3 second interval we got this report. This is a CPU utilization and a RAM utilization. But we have some more option with this. You can use -U for CPU and -R for RAM. What else you can do? You can do SAR-U, then -F/var log SA, then what we have, SA07, so is the date of 7th. So on 7th of Feb this system got rebooted twice, so we are having the CPU utilization report. Or if you want to see all the reports, just remove this CPU and RAM both together. Okay, and we have one more file today, SA10. See, this is a report. So it's keeping a report of 1 month in your system. Okay, so you can check location is var log SA, then SA, and this number denote the date which is got generated or not. Okay, so today is the 10th of February 2018, so it's showing SA10. So you can see the today report over here. So in this manner you can generate, or you can fetch the report of day yesterday, day before yesterday, and past around 30 or 50 days report. Okay, if someone will ask you that yesterday we have generated some code and we are trying to publish that code and that time system performance was very bad, so you can go and find these logs like SAR-F var log SA, then SA, then date of that 07 or 010. Anyone read this? Or you can pass this logs to the customer that CPU and memory utilization are very much fine over that date. Okay, you can do filter. You can use -U for CPU and -R for memory. And if you don't want to use this separate thing, you can use SAR, simply SAR. Both CPU and RAM utilization will be get generated, and you can pass this information to a customer. That system utilization report is there. Okay, so this is a thing, SAR. So whenever someone asks you that yesterday performance and all, so you can show them, or you can see the live field of this SAR-R 1/3 over a interval of 1 second. 3 times it will get generated. 1, 2 and 3. Same for the CPU you can do over interval of 1 second, and 3 times getting generated, and fourth one is showing average. So this system is ideal, 100%, 100% and 90% here. So the average is 99.67 ideal. Okay, in this way you can use this for the purpose. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.